Matt here, Atlas Precision Consulting. In today's video, we're going to talk about transfer days maintenance. We're about to do a few videos on transfers, and so this was a good one to start with. I already have it pulled up here. I'm going from source location 10 to destination location 20. Now, I would also have to set up the inverse if I'm going to be transferring from 20 to 10 as well. You would just switch those and set up some more settings. There's a couple check boxes here for some options. Pretty self-explanatory. Creating transfers from order entry, and also limiting transfers to only complete fulfillment. The big one I want to call it here is the days part. This is essentially when I place a transfer from 10 to 20, it's going to add 10 days to that expected to arrive date. It just allows you to have better information when you're looking up an item, when you're running reports, when you're running pork, things like that. It just gives you a better expectation of when you should get that product. Markup, I'm not really going to cover that in this video. There are company-wide settings that you can do for transfers. You don't have to set those up at all locations. There's a tab called Transfer Parameters where you can come in there and do the markups for company-wide. They are not the same thing as a landed cost, which I'll cover in another video series, but it is a way to accrue some costs for whether it's freight or other things, and then you would accrue them in certain GL accounts. The last two things are carrier IDs and shipping routes. Those are just defaults, so when you place a transfer between these two locations, it'll automatically fill in a particular carrier and a shipping route if you're using those. If you guys have questions about transfers or anything else, put a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, Atlas is here for your P21 needs.